How to delete Facebook page. In this step-by-step guide, I will guide you to how to delete Facebook page in a minute. First of all, click on application. Make sure you are logged in and make sure that you are using the updated version. Now click on these three horizontal lines. Now click on this gear. No, first of all, make sure that you are logged into your Facebook page. Here, click on this arrow and make sure that you are switched to your Facebook page. Here I choose this sample Facebook page. Now you can see that I am logged in to my Facebook page. Now this page I want to delete. Click on this icon. Now click on gear. Okay. Now again click on page setting. Now slide it, and in Facebook page information, you have to click on access and control. Click on it. Deactivation and deletion. Click on it. You can deactivate page or you can delete page. Here I want to delete my page. I will select this and click on continue. Click any option. It's taking time. Let's get it back and click on continue. Okay. Once the deletion process begins, you would not be able to reactivate your page or retrieve any its content learn more. Okay, now you can download your information and transform your information, but you have to click on continue if you still want to permanently delete. Now here you have to put your password and click on continue. Then it will delete your account. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video.